All right, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you. I got this package in the mail today from Sleet and Sole, and it's an Etsy company that I found recently in my quest to find more interesting clothing articles. And I got a pair of, oh wow, look at this. It's a nice presentation. I'm not sure what the logo is supposed to mean, but I'm hoping that's a drop of sweat and not some weird 666 thing, but I guess that's their Sleet and Sole. They've got a nice watermark on here. I don't know if you can see that. So apparently that's part of their logo. You might be able to see it a little bit better over a darker part of the package, or maybe a lighter part of the package, or maybe a part of the package that's light and dark, like right here. So anyway, I think that's some kind of nice presentation. So I got a pair of their socks. So, and one of my favorite things, manufactured in the USA. I don't know if that's focusing. Might be trying to focus on me. Anyway, 90% merino wool, 10% spandex and elastane, and they come in sizes. There's a size chart on the back. You see I got the medium, based on your shoe size, so you can get kind of a customized fit. So yeah, let me read this sticker on the back here. This limited edition features the finest quality small batch American merino wool spun specifically for Sleet and Sole. Merino wool is naturally moisture wicking and odor resistant, making merino wool ideal for any weather, including summer days or conditions or even extreme sports. We have spared no expense in creating the coziest, softest, most luxurious socks of all, but of course, we had to make sure they feature our signature Sleet and Sole designs made in the USA. So, pretty cool. Let's see if I can pull them out of here. I think I'm just gonna tear this. Oh wow, look at that. I think that's supposed to be, since they're based in New York and New Jersey, their company is actually listed as New Jersey, but I'm guessing that's supposed to be the Big Apple, maybe. Kind of cool. And of course, recycled packaging, or recyclable anyway. Might be both. So that's cool. Green. I know they're not super exciting, but I just kind of wanted, they have these small batch sock offerings that, you know, they just have like a particular color or design, and I was like, okay, this is kind of not too out there. I would probably go with most things. So, and I wanted to try their socks and see how they compare to the other ones I've tried. Now, I tried some from Darn Tough, Vermont, and also from Grip 6, and both of them felt a lot more woolly and a lot more, like a lot thicker. So they tended to just generally feel a little bit warmer on the foot. So I'm kind of interested to try these, because these are like super thin. These are, in fact, they feel, if you just felt them, they feel like a cotton sock, but they're wool. So after kind of getting my feet wet with these other brands, I've really come to appreciate the benefits of wool socks. Not least of which is that you can wear them all day in a closed shoe and they don't stink. They keep your feet dry and comfortable. Your feet don't feel all kind of clammy and gross when you take them off. And you know, you can wear them over several days without them really smelling bad or, you know, having a problem. Not that I generally do that, but it's nice that you can do that. And it certainly makes them last longer, because that more uses per washing means less wear and tear on the sock, longer life is basically the premise. So I'm going to give these things a try. Here they are. My foot says hello. They feel pretty good, actually. They are noticeably thinner than the other ones I've tried, which I didn't know you could do. I didn't know enough about wool. I thought it was, if you got wool socks, they were always going to be thick and woolly. So I'm especially interested to kind of give these a go. I forget what I paid for these. I'll try to put a link down below. So you can check them out, but they weren't terribly expensive as wool socks go. If you're used to getting multi-packs of cotton socks from China or India or whatever, Bangladesh, and especially if you're used to just white crew socks that come in a package, any wool socks you buy anywhere are going to seem expensive. It's just the way it is. It's hard to find anything decent for less than 15, 18 bucks a pair, which sounds like a lot of money, like I said, but if you're someone like me that's kind of trending towards minimalism and having less stuff but better quality and stuff that's going to last longer, then they're great. When I was younger, when I was a swing dancer and shopping like a couple times a week at thrift stores and buying everything under the sun, I had to have 3 dozen pairs of socks to match all these different crazy outfits I would wear swing dancing, whether it was dress suits or zoot suits or 50s style, or just something outrageous that I could pull my pant leg up and there's martini glasses or whatever on my socks. I don't care about that anymore. So I'm really just looking for stuff that I can wear all day to work, that I can wear skateboarding, that I can wear walking around in various types of shoes and boots and be comfortable. And so that's what this kind of journey is about. And I brought you guys along while I'm getting some nice natural light in here right now. The sun is coming out. Here comes the sun. Yeah, check these guys out. There are a bunch. If you shop on Etsy, there's no shortage of people selling wool socks. I don't know why I was drawn to these. I kind of liked the design. I liked the price. The price seemed good, and I liked that they were made in USA. You can find plenty of stuff made all around the world, but I was really trying to find something made in USA because America. Catch you guys on the flip. Thanks for checking my video. Smash the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe. There's always more content coming. Plant you now. Dig you later.